I did a particular video on telling people to quit their job and taking YouTube serious, and it became a whole lot of stress to a lot of people. I also did a particular video where my friend was actually pulled out of her job just because she asked for salary increment. Now, in today's video, I am not telling you to come quit your job, but I'm going to be telling you what you basically need to do as a content creator or as someone that wants to be making extra side hustle or making extra money on YouTube without having to quit that particular thing that you are doing. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are cute. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So in today's video, like I said, I'm not basically telling you to quit your job, but I'm just going to basically tell you that if you know you are already working and you are very happy with what you are doing, you are comfortable with what you are doing, answering yes ma, yes sir, yes boss, yes authority, answering yes or answering I did it even when you're not supposed to say I did it, then it is fine. You can just keep doing that particular job that you're doing because it will definitely help you go a long way. But this is my advice for you. My advice for you is you do not just rely on that job, but try your possible best to also have a side hustle that is called YouTube, right? Create a YouTube channel and be uploading videos. Now what you're going to do basically is you're not going to put all of your trust in that job, and then you're not going to also put all of your trust on your YouTube channel, but at the process you are still going to be building your YouTube channel. Now this is why I think it is very important. No matter how important you think you are in that particular job, no matter how special you think you are in that particular job, the day they are going to lay you off, trust me, these particular people that you think you are important to them will replace you ASAP. I can tell you for a fact. And that is why I feel like it is necessary for you to start building your YouTube channel. Even if you are still doing that job that you're happy with, even if you're comfortable doing what you are doing, even if you feel like that particular job you're doing is paying you so well, it is going to be very important and very special if you have a side hustle called YouTube. You can see a lot of YouTubers currently right now, they are still having businesses they are running, but they do not quit YouTube because YouTube is one of the platforms that can give you that comfortability, that can give you that, I don't know how to put it. The only thing you need to do is just get the right content, just get your right video, just know how to navigate the algorithm, just know how to put out your content here, and trust me, you will be sleeping and money will be reading in your account. Trust me, you will be sleeping even without pressing your phone and something will be going down there. That's one beautiful part about YouTube. I can tell you for a fact that even if I don't upload video in a whole full month, there is no way I'm not still going to meet up to my threshold, because why? I have put in this content in place that are still doing the job for me. These content are still going every single day. These are content that I've put in on YouTube for over 3 years, over 2 years, over 1 year. But as I'm talking to you currently, I am still earning on those particular content, and of which this your job that you're particularly doing now cannot even give you that. It cannot give you that in the sense that there is no way they will pay you salary for last year and they will come back and pay you another salary for last year. You understand? But YouTube can give you that platform whereby your videos can keep generating money for you as long as your channel did not violate the YouTube community guideline, as long as your channel is intact, is in line with what YouTube is saying, your videos can still be making money for you. In fact, even the videos that you think were not doing well the last 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even the videos you feel like you're not even supposed to be seeing this video, you feel like deleting them at some point, can still pick up and give you that coins that you're looking for. The first video I did when I started this particular channel, that was like 3 years ago, because tomorrow will make me 4 years. I can tell you for a fact that that video till now is still generating. In fact, it is not that video is even getting more attraction, more attention. You understand what I'm trying to say? And that's the beautiful part of YouTube. It gives you like continuous wealth. So I feel like if I see people that are not taking their YouTube channel serious, or I see people that are not doing what they are supposed to do, it pains me. It pains me because YouTube is one platform for every single person. YouTube is one platform that me and you can actually make out what we really need to be making out of. You understand? So don't sit down there and feel and always be saying, oh, my job is comfortable, I'm okay with my job, I think my boss like me, I think I'm in love with my job, I think they're paying me hugely, I think they're doing this. Get YouTube as a side hustle. Get YouTube as something that can actually fetch another thing for you. Get YouTube as something that you can be using to plan for your future. Like I said, you don't really need to be too serious about it, but just know how to navigate YouTube, which appropriate video you're supposed to be putting out here, which kind of content do you think is sellable, how to be sellable on YouTube, how to bring in what people are looking for on YouTube, not only on YouTube, on other places like the Google, the Chrome, and trust me, you will definitely not regret. Like, you will not have any atom of regret. Like I said, you don't necessarily need to say, oh, I must have the biggest camera, I must have the big phone, I must buy the tripod stand before I can start creating content. Start with whatsoever you have. Start with what you have in your hand, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. One day you will sit down to say, oh, Vibe with Sonia was the one that encouraged me to start up a YouTube channel. See, the day you buy, you see that job, they will move on. They will move on. So no matter how you love them, I'm not saying you should quit this time around. I'm not saying you should go and resign. I'm not saying you should go and leave what you are doing. But I'm saying you should start content creating and add it up to that particular thing that you're doing. And trust me, you are definitely, definitely not going to be regretting being on this space called YouTube. Now, for those ones that will be asking questions like, I don't even know how to navigate YouTube, I don't even know how to navigate the algorithm, I don't even know what the algorithm is talking about, I don't even know the best videos for me to bring out here. This is why I always bring my masterclass for you. And my next masterclass is on July. It's going to be held on July 29. And this masterclass is going to be fun packed, where we'll personally show you how to navigate YouTube, what the algorithm is talking about, the kind of videos that you're supposed to bring here, so that at the end of the day, me and you can actually achieve success. And you can come back tomorrow and be like, Vibe with Sonia made me did it. Now, for you to be able to access this masterclass, all you need to do is just a token of 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira, that is less than $10. You can be able to access this masterclass. All you need to do is to send me a mail with this email you're seeing on the screen, faithonja3195@gmail.com, and trust me, you will definitely not regret joining this particular class. And the beautiful part of this class is, once we are done with our class, we already have a community that we are going to put you in that community, so that you can also learn to grow with others. You can also learn what others are learning. You can also learn how others are also succeeding, so that you can also succeed. And that's the beautiful part of Vibe with Sonia's masterclass. With 10,000 naira, send me a mail, faithonja3195@gmail.com. Let's get you started. Now, for those ones that will be like, no, I just want one-on-one, where Vibe with Sonia can personally come into my channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. This is where I personally do that for you on your one-on-one coaching with just the same flyer that is displaying on the screen. You can send me a mail and tell me, no, my own is one-on-one, because that's what a lot of people will say. They'll be like, I don't want to join the group, I just want one-on-one section with you, where you can personally go to my channel and see every single thing that is happening. And trust me, by the time we're done with you, you're going to be thanking God. Now, if you don't know, we have what is called Port Harcourt Hangout that is coming up, Port Harcourt YouTubers Hangout that is coming up on YouTube. Now, with this Port Harcourt YouTubers Hangout, if you are close to Port Harcourt, in places like Enugu, Imo State, Delta, and Imo, where you can personally come to Port Harcourt like in less than 2 to 3 hours, then you can also join this Port Harcourt Hangout. All you need to do is to send us Port Harcourt Hangout. You put your WhatsApp number, and we are going to be adding you up to the group. Send us with the same mail that you're seeing on the screen, faithonja3195@gmail.com, and trust me, you will not regret. Please, no long story, just put Port Harcourt Hangout and drop your phone number. We will know that definitely you're coming for Port Harcourt Hangout, and trust me, we are going to get you started from there. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like to say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah. See you in class.